Look here, in this question, first we have to see what we have here. The product of two fractions is 6 whole 3 upon 7. If one of the fraction is 9, find the other fraction. So first we will write what we have given. We can write here solution. What we have given, that information we have to write. Given what we have given, product of two fractions. So we have written here the product of two fractions. What is the product of two fractions? 6 whole 3 upon 7. We have again make the fraction. We can convert into improper. 7 6 are 42. 42 and 3 45. So we can write here 45 upon 7. Now what we have given? If one of the fraction is 9. One fraction we have given. So we can write here one fraction. One fraction is 9. So we are written here 9. And find the other fraction. So we can write here other fraction question mark. Question mark means what? We have to find out the other fraction. Now so we find the other fraction. How will we can use this formula? This rule, other fraction is equal to product of two fractions. Product of two fractions divided by one fraction. Okay. When product of two fractions divided by one fraction, so we will get the other fraction. Keep remember, whenever we have the product of two number, if you divided by one, so you will get the other fraction. For example, suppose I am giving it, you have given the product of two number is 12, and one fraction, one number is you again 2. So what will be the other number? 6. Because 12 divided by 2, you will get the 6. The same rule, same condition, same concept we will use to solve this question. Here we can write here product of two fractions. What is the product of two fractions? 45 upon 7. So we can write here 45 upon 7. Division sign. Division sign will come as it is one fraction. What is the one fraction? 9. So we can write here 9. Okay. Now how will you divide? Because division of fractions or rational number, it is very difficult. So while we are dividing the fractions or rational number, keep remember the division sign can be converted into multiplication by using reciprocal property of a number. Okay. So we can write here this 45 upon 7 will come as it is. In place of division, we can put multiplication sign, and in place of 9, we have to write the reciprocal of 9. One more thing I want to make you clear. Always find the reciprocal of right hand side number, because I have seen that there are many students always they get confused and find out the reciprocal of left hand side number. Okay, here we have to find out the reciprocal of right hand side number. So what is the reciprocal of 9? 1 upon 9. So we can write here 9. In bracket also you can write, since reciprocal of 9 is 1 upon 9. Okay, got it. So 45 upon 7 into 1 upon 9. Now we can cancel here. Well, both number can be numerator and denominator can be cancel each other. Don't cancel numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. We can't cancel numerator by numerator or denominator by denominator. And when you can cancel, this also you have to keep in mind. If there is a multiplication sign, only then we can cancel. Keep remember. So here numerator and denominator can be cancelled because we are having the common divisor. What is the common divisor of 9 and 45? 9. So we can cancel by 9. 9 1 9. 9 5 45. Now what will be left in numerator? 5 into 1. So you have to multiply. 5 1 5. So we have written here 5. In denominator, 7 into 1. So you multiply 7 and 1. 7 1 7. At last you can write, hence the required other number is, what is? 5 upon 7. 5 upon 7. Okay. A large pail contains 6 whole 3 upon 4 liters of water. A small mug is used to draw water, which had a capacity of 1 upon 4 liters. How many mugs can be filled with water present in the pan? How many mugs can be filled with water present in the pan? Means what? So this is the pail of water and it is contain water. So how many mugs can be filled with that water? So first we should write here what is the capacity of pail and then what is the capacity of mug. If you divide capacity of pail divided by the capacity of mug, so we will get the number of mug that can be filled by with that water. So we can write here since the capacity of a large pail, capacity of a pail, what is 6 whole 3 upon 4 liters. Now this fraction can be converted into improper 4 6 are 24 and 24 and 3 27. So we can write here 27 upon 4 liters. Now what is the capacity of mug? Which has a capacity, a mug. A small mug is used to draw water which has a capacity of 1 upon 4 liters. This is the capacity of mug. So we can write here. Okay, and capacity of a mug. Capacity of a mug. What is the capacity? 1 upon 4 liter. Okay. Now what we want to find? How many mugs can be filled with water in the field? So we can write here the number of mugs. So we can write here. So the number of mugs that can be filled with water is equal to capacity of a pail divided by capacity of a mug. So we can write here. I'm putting the is equal to sign. We can write here capacity of a pail divided by capacity of a mug. What is the capacity of a pail? 27 upon 4 liters. So we can write here 27 upon 4 liters divided by what is the capacity of a mug? 1 upon 4 liters. 1 upon 4 liters. As you know that this division sign can be converted into multiplication by using a reciprocal property of a number. So we can write here what is the reciprocal of 1 upon 4. First we write here the reciprocal of 1 upon 4. Reciprocal of 1 upon 4 is 4 upon 1. So this division sign can be converted into multiplication. So we can write that 20 upon 7 upon 4 will come and it is division sign can be converted into multiplication by using the reciprocal property. 1 upon 4 becomes 4 upon 1. So we have written here 4 upon 1. Now we can cancel. 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4. What will be left in numerator? 27 into 1. 27 1 ja 27. 1 into 1, no need to write 1. Directly we can write here 27. At last we can write the answer. Hence, how many mugs? How many mugs can be filled with water present in the pan? So we can write here. Hence, 27 mugs. Hence, 27 mugs can be filled with water present in the pan. Present in the pan. This is your answer. What here? Mohan walks 12 km in 3 whole 3 upon 4 hours. How much distance will he cover in 4 hours? This question is also very easy. This question actually based on unitary method. Okay, so we can solve it. We can write here since distance Mohan walks 12 km in 3 whole 3 upon 4 hours. So we can write here distance covered in, how much distance covered in 3 whole 3/4 over 12 kilometers. So we can write here distance covered in 3 whole 3/4 hours. How much distance he covered? 12 kilometers. So we can write here 12 kilometer. Now we would like to find out how much distance he will cover in 1 hour. So we can write here, therefore, distance covered in 1 hour. How much? 12 divided by 3 whole 3/4. Okay. Now we want to find out how much distance will he cover in 4 hours. So we can write here, therefore, distance covered in 4 hours. We can write here 12 divide. This mixed fraction can be converted into improper. So 4 3 are 12. 12 and 3 15. So we can write here 15/4. Okay, this expression we write as it is. Now distance covered in 4 hours. So we will have to put multiplication and multiply by 4. Okay, this question is based on unitary method, because in this case we have get the value of many and we also find the value of many. When we have get the value of many and we want to find out the value of many, in that case first we have to divide, then multiply. Why we should divide? To get the value of 1. After getting the value of 1, we will multiply to get the value of many. Got it? That's why we have written first we are dividing, then multiplying. So here in place of division sign, we can put multiplication by using the reciprocal property. So we can write here 12. Division sign can be converted into multiplication. So 15/4 becomes 4/15 into 4. Okay. Here in bracket you can write here, hence reciprocal of 15/4. 15/4 is 4/15. We are using the reciprocal property. Keep remember, division sign can be converted into multiplication by using the reciprocal property. We will write the reciprocal of only this number, not 4. Keep remember. Also you can place the bracket if you have any confusion. 4. Now we can cancel here. 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 15. Now we cannot cancel numerator by denominator because we are having the common divisor of 12 and 15. What was the common divisor? 3. So we have cancelled 12 and 15 by 3 tables. 12 will be cancelled how many times? 4 times. 15 will be cancelled how many times? 5 times. So what will be left here in numerator? Let's see. 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 is 16 and 16 4 is 64. In denominator we got 5. 5. Now this can be converted into mixed fraction. So we can convert into mixed fraction. When you divide the 64, so we can convert 64. There are many students, they don't know how to convert. That's why I am saying 5 1 is 5. 1, bring down 4. 5 2 is 10. 4. What is the remainder? 4. This is your quotient. This is your divisor. So QRD. QRD. First we write quotient 12. Then what is the remainder? 4. And what is the divisor? 5. Okay, so we can write distance covered in 4 hours 12 whole 4/5 kilometer. So we can write here at last answer. Hence, how much distance will he cover in 4 hours? So we can write here Mohan will cover how much? 12 whole 4/5 kilometer in how many hours? 4 hours. This is your